Hello and welcome back. In the last lesson, I showed you how to create unordered lists. In this one, I will show you how to create ordered lists which use numbers or alphabetical characters instead of bullet points. So to begin with, I will add the ordered list tags to my document, and they are basically an opening OL tag and a closing one. In between, you again have to nest list items with the li opening and closing tags. And in between the li tags, you can then add text. So I will just say front end web development. And I will add another one with back end web development. And if I save this and open it up in the browser, we can see that instead of bullet points, we have a 1 and a 2. Just like with unordered lists, you again can nest another list. So for that, I will press enter right before the closing list item. And I will just add another ordered list. And in here, I will just add 3 more options. One of them is HTML. Then another list item with CSS. And finally, another one with JavaScript. And again, I will just save and reload the page. And here you can see that we have a nested list. So when it comes to the ordered list, we can add attributes that will change how the list displays. One of them is the type attribute. So let's say instead of numbers, I want the list to use characters. So I can just say A, and that will use alphabetical letters. So if I refresh, you can see A, B. I can use a small a, which will use lowercase characters. I can use uppercase Roman numbers by specifying a capital I. I'll save, refresh, and I can also use lowercase ones, so lowercase Roman numbers by specifying a small I. And you can see we have a small I. Another thing you can change is how it counts. So by default, it starts with 1, but by adding the attribute start, and then, for example, 10, you can make the list start at 10 and then count up. So HTML will be 10, CSS 11, and JavaScript will be 12. If I refresh, you can see the start attribute only works with numbers, not with the other options. So for example, if I put a C here, it will not start counting at C, but instead will revert back to the default, which is numbers. So you see, instead of C, it changes to 1, 2, and 3. This is everything I wanted to show you in regards to ordered lists. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will try to answer. In the next video, I will show you the difference between inline and block elements. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye!